Hello everyone. So now I'm going to say how to find the loan computation system in Finance Dominion using efficient file and memory handling. So first, we begin the program and include the necessary header files as usual. And then we declare a pointer variable for the required data type. Then we ask the user to input the number of elements needed. Then we use the memory allocation, malloc, and calloc, which is dynamically allocate memory. And then, if the memory allocation fails, we print an error message and exit the program. Then, for data handling, we accept values from the user and store them in the allocated memory. Then, process the data as required. For example, display values and compute the sum. Then, we resize the program using reallocate function. If the memory block needs to be resized, then we use the cleanup. So, we free the allocated memory using the free function and then we end the function. Thank you.